I'm Jillian Sheeran. I'm an Associate Director of Engineering at Snapdragon Chemistry, a Cambrex company. In recent years, we've seen a huge emergence in new technologies such as the use of automated systems, feedback control loops, and machine learning, which is making a significant impact on how we design reactors for scale-up. We're seeing this technology be useful both on R&D and in manufacturing settings. For R&D settings, we are seeing the use of this real-time data monitoring being able to give us feedback without having to sample frequently. We're able to have continuous operation while we are gathering data. On the manufacturing side, we are seeing automation be used for safety, continuous sampling, control of the reaction. It's ultimately helping with scalability because we're able to maintain the consistency from start to finish in the process.